Hey everybody, this is Dustin Burrell. I'm in class CIS 240, which is our Windows Server 2012 R2 Microsoft class. Administering is this section that we're doing. Instead of installing and configuring, we've moved on. We're going to be doing section activity 2-4, configuring Windows Update with group policy. Now it says that the time required is 10 minutes. Maybe not on my computer because I'm doing this on TeamViewer with only 4 gigabytes. I still have not gotten the microphone adapter for my laptop to where I still have to record videos this way. Now that you have installed the WSUS and it's configured, you need to configure clients to the WSUS server for their updates. The tools you're going to need is 411 Server 1 and 411 Win 8. Don't get confused by my Wind 8 up there. It's the same as Windows 8. I just added a D because when I made it the second time correctly, it required me to name it differently than the one I named before. So you also need to enable client-side targeting by using group policy, not a domain controller. To use the new GPO you create an OU in the Active Directory, and you move a computer account to it and link the GPO to the organizational unit. So what you want to do is start your server 1. If you already have it, log on as administrator if necessary. And we're going to go straight over to tools, click on it, and find our group policy management. Under group policy management, in the left pane on the group policy management console, you're going to want to expand your domains. As soon as it gets here. That is not what I did. Expand your domains. Okay, actually it would start and look like this for you. So expand your domains. Jeez, touchy. Killing me. Okay. So it would normally look like this at the beginning. Just everything. So you expand the forest 411. Expand your domains. Expand 411 dom1.local. After you get all that expanded, you basically want to right click on group policy objects. Right click on it and do a new. And in the new GPO dialog box, type WS US dash capital desktops as the new group that we're doing. Slag is killing me right now. And then you click OK. Now this is going to say, look, you already have a name with this already existing, which means I've already created it. I tried to delete it and it wasn't deleting correctly. And with how slow this has been going, I just will deal with it later. But if you were to go, it would say okay, and then it would accept it. It would create your GPO. But I'm going to cancel out of that. And then in the group policy management editor, you would navigate to computer configuration. Okay, so basically you want to find the new GPO dialog box, which is our WSUS desktops. And you're going to want to right click the GPO and then click edit. When you get to edit, bring your group policy management editor right here. You would want to expand. You want to follow these bold words just like you're following through the computer. Get to the folder. You'd want to expand computer configurations. So expand computer configurations, expand policies, expand your administrative templates, and then expand the Windows components. And down here a ways, find the Windows updates that we want, and then click on the Windows update. Over here, we're going to have some certain updates that we're going to want to double click on so we can get them rolling right away. The first one is enabling client-side targeting. Yes, you would have the properties box show up for that, and you would enable it. Oh my god. You would enable it, and as you can see, it's already enabled from when I did this before my recording. Then you would hit OK. And one step I do not want to miss for you guys on this, make sure you type desktops right in here to your target group name for this computer. Okay. And then we're going to see, configure automatic updates. Double click on that. Your properties box shows up for it. Click enable. And we're going to go with the default settings for this, just for this activity. In the future, it says that number 4 right here would be a better option for you. But just for this activity, we're going to keep it basic, auto download and notify for install. And I already did that. So just hit OK and get out of that. Then we got to do the specify internet Microsoft update service location. So, of course, we need to have a location to send it to. And I already typed the address in, http://411 server 2 8530. You want this both exactly the same in both text boxes. Enable it and press OK so you can have a path for it to get to its destination. Next, you tell clients the name of the WSUS server. We already did that. Browse if you want to. You guys can browse through these. I've already talked to you about how slow my computer's going, so I'm gonna cruise on to the next thing. Next, you need to link the GPO to an OU containing the target computer accounts. Now we're gonna want to get out of all of these group policies for a second and go over to our activity directory, users and computers, and open that console up. As we're looking at this console, we're going to create an organizational unit named desktops. Okay, let's see here. Move. Oh, wait. We need a link. I'm sorry. I read the wrong part. Next, you need to link the GPO to an organizational unit containing the target computer accounts. Open activity directory users and computers. We did that. And create an OU named desktops. Okay, I was at the right spot. Just a second. Okay, so now we got to create an organizational unit called desktops. I've already created it, but I'm going to show you how to do it. You would go here, right click on the domain controllers. Just a sec, I don't know what that's doing. Okay, and you would go here, new, down to organizational unit. And as you get into the organizational unit box, you type in desktops. I'll show you how that works. This is where I type desktops in. And then I hit OK. But I've already created that, so I'm not going to be able to do it again unless I want to delete it. So after you create the desktops, go ahead and do that. And then go to computers. And we're going to drag the 411 Win8 computer account from the computers folder to the desktops OU you just created. So we are going to put this right here in desktops. And you're going to click yes. So now our 411 Win8 computer is inside the desktop OU, which we created. When prompted to confirm, click yes. Now all we need to do is create a user. Go to users, folder named Windows 8 user with the logon name Win8 user and the password 01. Set the password to never expire.